When it comes to land surveying in Noida Sector 50, it is crucial to hire a professional land surveyor who has expertise and experience in this field. One such reliable land surveyor in the area is available at Land Surveyor Noida Sector 50. PHP. With their extensive knowledge and skills, they can accurately measure and map out the land, ensuring that all the necessary details are recorded. This is particularly important when it comes to property development or construction projects, as accurate land surveying is essential for proper planning and adherence to building regulations. In addition to land surveying, another important aspect of any construction project is the design of the structure itself. This is where SCON design comes into play. It involves the careful consideration of factors such as functionality, aesthetics, safety, and sustainability. A well-designed structure not only meets the needs of its occupants, but also enhances the overall appeal of the area. By hiring a professional land surveyor in Noida Sector 50, such as the one available at Land Surveyor Noida Sector 50. PHP, you can ensure that your construction project starts on the right foot. They will accurately measure and map out the land, providing you with valuable information such as boundary lines, topography, and any potential obstacles that may need to be addressed during the construction process. This information is vital for proper planning and can help avoid costly delays or issues down the line. Once the land has been surveyed, it is time to move on to SCON design. This involves working closely with architects and engineers to create detailed plans for the building or infrastructure project. The SCON design team will consider various factors such as the purpose of the structure, budget constraints, and local regulations to create a design that balances functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability. Hiring a qualified land surveyor with experience and skill in this sector is essential when it comes to land surveying in Noida Sector 50. You can find a trustworthy land surveyor in the region at Land Surveyor Noida Sector 50. PHP. A well-designed building not only satisfies the demands of its tenants, but it also improves the neighborhood's aesthetic appeal. Through the use of a qualified land surveyor in Noida Sector 50, like the one you can find at Land Surveyor Noida Sector 50. By using PHP, you can make sure that your building project gets off to a good start. They will precisely measure and map the property, giving you useful details like the terrain, boundary lines, and any potential impediments that would need to be dealt with during the building process. This knowledge is essential for effective planning and can help avert expensive delays or problems in the future. Surveying the site is the first step before beginning SCON design. To do this, you must collaborate closely with engineers and architects to develop comprehensive plans for the construction or infrastructure project. To build a design that balances practicality, aesthetics, and sustainability, the